How to save a selection in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and load the audio by dragging the file directly into the waveform area. Once it's loaded, you'll see the audio waveform on the screen. Now, click and drag your mouse over the waveform to highlight the part you want to save. You can zoom in for better accuracy if needed. Make sure the selection is correct because only this part will be saved. Then, go to the top menu, click on File and select Save Selection. This will allow you to export just a highlighted section instead of the entire file. A save window will appear where you can name the new file, choose the save location, and select a desired format like MP3, WAV, and others. If you are unsure about format settings like bitrate or sample rate, you can leave them as default values. Once you are ready, click on Save and the selected part will be saved as a new file in the format and location you choose. It's a simple and efficient way to extract only what you need. And that's it. Now you know how to save a selection in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.